Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to use Vheer to create YouTube shorts quickly and easily. So whether you are making simple clips, AI generated visuals or animated intros, Vheer can help you turn your ideas into shorts in just a few minutes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on vheer.com. Over here, you need to sign up with the help of your Google account. Now over here, you can choose a text to image or image to video option. So let's say I want to choose text to image because then I will be able to generate image with the help of it. So click on the option of generate, and over here in the aspect ratio, click on the option of this drop down menu, then select it in the format of 9:16. Now over here you need to give it your prompt. So let's say I give it something like this, then click on the option of generate. So once your image is ready, you need to download it on your PC or on your laptop, because then you can use that particular image in order to create shorts. So once you have it, you can use this option, that is image to video. So click on this option, then click on the option of generate video from image. Over here you need to make sure that the format is MP4, and video length you can select like 5 seconds. Now you need to upload that image which you have just generated, just like so. Then select the model here and click on the option of generate. Now you can select the premium option or the quality model for free. So if you click on the option of generate, it is going to be taking some time in order to show you the results. You can also type your prompt for your video here, and you can wait for it to give you the response. So once it gave you the response, and if you like it, again you can download it in your PC or laptop, and then you can upload it directly on your YouTube channel. So this way you will be able to create YouTube shorts with Vheer. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.